I did. It's not the lip. It's something under it. I don't know what's under that. The lip is super clear.
This Bugatti, we've worked on a lot before. Actually, the previous 2 owners of this car were our clients as well. So we know this car very, very well. And we've done a bunch of stuff. This car was wrapped, I believe, twice by us already. So 2 times we wrapped it and did several maintenance things on this car as well. And we just grabbed it because we have more maintenance things to do. This car also has probably the worst turning radius of all time for sports cars. I hate filming this car when it is in its regular high position because honestly this car with the wing down doesn't do it for me. It's a little weird, it's too rounded, the car looks tiny, and it's not the fastest thing in the world, so you know, you gotta be cautious of that. But anyways, this is an awesome spec Bugatti Veyron. It is red and black two-tone from exterior to interior with all the red Alcantara and all the black and red everywhere. Right now we picked it up because this customer actually has HREs on this car and one of them is leaking. We don't know why. We don't know if it's the tire, the valve stem, the wheel, whatever. We're gonna check that out. This customer has his stock wheels as well, but instead of wearing out those tires, why not put some aftermarket wheels? He's not trying to, you know, go over 200 miles per hour. He's just, you know, driving it around the streets of LA and stuff. So why not put some awesome wheels on it? But yeah, other than that, stock, it looks great. We have a few little maintenance things to do on it as well. We've done mechanical work on Bugattis before. You guys have seen it years ago on our channel. Before anybody was really touching Bugattis, we were the ones taking them apart, taking the wing apart, diagnosing things, even did oil changes on it. Yeah, right now we're gonna head back to the shop. We're gonna take the wheel off and check out what's going on. Hopefully it's just a nail or something. So yeah, one of my favorite cars that we've worked on at RDB is this car.
That's it. It's going through. Thank you so much. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
What happened?
Thank you. I need to put the nuts, but it's really tight.
Don't take my light.
I use it that way.
Flashlight. This $500 this.
That's $500?
Yeah, but you see the size is really big.
Hey,
This one
FedEx
is
function.
$300 small.
We've been watching you guys for forever. And I'm not a girl who likes cars.
This is like the best car he's color matched ever. I swear, bro, like this one he got down on it. This one and the McLaren.
Did you ever think you'd be driving an SF90?
Never in my life, bro. The most I thought I would ever get to is like my van and a Honda Civic, you know?
Yeah,
but never, like now I get on it and it's like, damn, I think every first time it feels like the first time.
It made no sense, but yeah, start
It
it
does-
up.
I know what I was trying to say. How is it? Oh, every time I get on, it's like
Feels like the first.
feels like the first time. Like it's amazing. Would you prefer the SF90 or the Bugatti?
SF90.
Yeah.
Another day, another dead battery. Man, I don't know what happened to this car. It's working. Let's just push it for now and then we'll check it, I guess. We don't have a choice.
All right, we are standing in front of the crazy SF90 project, showing you the RDB wheels right here. This is the RDB signature wheels. We did it in this deep concave configuration so we could have that crazy step lip. This is gonna look really crazy on the SF90 because of that step lip right here. Polished, and as you guys saw in the previous episode, the finish on the middle is very special. It's paint, not powder coat. It is actually our custom satin silver color. The car itself, all the paint work is done. I was gonna put the fender on to show you guys, but they are buffing the fender currently, so we can't show that. Tailor made factory match. I know you guys are very, very interested on this project. We're almost there. I promise you guys, next week we're gonna be putting everything together. So stay tuned on that. And I wanna show you guys something else that's really cool. New design RDB wheel called Zero. I'm gonna bring it over here and check it out.
I told you to flick your cigarette, you didn't f***ing flick it, and now bring the floating caps. You don't have to screenshot anymore. Here it is. I don't f***ing care, bro. I think this is only will match on the SUVs. Like Cullinan will match, Range Rover will match. Yours will never match. This is not sporty, so it's like more classy. Like I don't know, Cullinan or a Range Rover.
Nobody cares what Sarkis has to say. Anyways, right here is our new design. We call it the RDB Zero. It's monoblock. It's one piece, of course. This is going with the trend of full face wheels. Obviously, we already have the masterpiece wheels, which are really, really nice as well. But we wanted to introduce another full face wheel because the demand is pretty crazy. The first car we're gonna put this on is a new Range Rover. It's gonna look ridiculous. We have the Maybach floating cap on there just because you can put this on any car. Maybachs, Range Rovers, Cullinans, whatever you want, we can put it on. It has so much detail right here, and then it's very simple monoblock right here. So super simple, but a lot of detail at the same time, and they look amazing spinning, of course. This is 24-inch for the Range Rover. We can make them in 22s, 26s, whatever you want. We're not sticking to just our designs. We could get this design and do changes on it if you wanted to. If you wanted to make this open, make it more open in the middle, whatever you want, we could do it for you guys. So yeah, we really, really want to do a lot more RDB Wheels in 2023. So that's why we're introducing this one. So stay tuned to see this on the Range Rover very, very soon.
Why is your hoodie so big?
Huh?
Your hoodie.
I love big.
What about the RDB one?
Too tight.
Oh, that one's too tight?
No, this one is like a toolbox. Look.
Hey, shoot this is gonna kill you.
Huh? If you see,
It does hold a lot of tools.
yeah.
Bro, that thing sounds
Best
insane.
friends here.
Yeah, that's it, man.
What's going on? I'm happy to be back.
All for our customer because he wants content for you guys.
Yeah, RDB is working hard for me right
We
now.
put whatever we can on the car real fast. That looks kind of sick actually right now in this lighting too. Carbon fiber door right there. But we're missing a bunch of important stuff here. The wing is missing back here. The engine bonnet is missing, of course. We're also missing the roof. We're missing the mirrors. We're missing the hood. This car has several components that go around it for ground effects missing. The diffuser's missing. The front has a bunch of carbon fiber missing. So obviously this is nowhere near the end product. We want to take it out here real fast. Super excited to get everything else on there. Sounds crazy. Shooting flames. One thing I'm very worried about is drivability. This car is on static suspension. It's not on air ride like a lot of the other ones. I don't like air ride, especially on Lamborghinis. So hopefully we can make the static suspension work. So we're gonna be doing a lot of more customization to the body kit to make sure we fit. The wheels are a little bit aggressive the way we like it. Unfortunately, it's gonna give us more headache. We couldn't drive the car in regular mode because it's hitting the fenders. So we have to drive it in the lifter position up and get it ready for that crazy Ferrari paint job. So you guys saw this car completely naked just a few days ago, and now it has a bunch of stuff on it. So I'm not gonna quote my days because realistically, we wanted to finish this by the new year. It's not gonna happen. I'm banking on trying to get it done inside the month of January. So, pending no issues, we should be good. The fitment thing, we've been doing that for years, so I'm sure that we could tackle. Because at the end of the day, we want this car to drive on the street without stuff breaking apart. So, gonna have to manage with that. And hopefully, sometime in January 23.
So like Vic said, this is a huge work in progress. Obviously it's not done, but you can really tell the car is coming together. We just got these tips installed from Gintani. They're actually still a little hot. I don't know why I touched them, but they're gold, just like the 720 GTR that DDE had before it was crashed, but they match the wheels. And obviously you saw the carbon door, the carbon SV style vents, and then the front end is really coming together. We're still waiting on the front hood, and there's another 2 pieces that go across the front that are also carbon, but it's really coming together. It looks so badass, and you saw the flames. I mean, come on. Have you guys ever seen a mangled Lamborghini spitting flames like that? It sounds ridiculous, and I'm so excited for it to be done. And if you want to see exactly how much this car costs between the car, the kit, wheel, suspension, tune, everything, go check out my channel, Arguini, that's ARGUINI, and you'll see a breakdown of exactly how much building a car like this costs.